Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Internet of Things performance optimization. In this presentation, we will explore the critical aspects of latency, throughput, and efficiency that determine how well your connected devices perform. These three pillars are fundamental to creating responsive, scalable, and resource-efficient IoT systems that deliver excellent user experiences. IoT performance measures how quickly and efficiently your connected devices respond to commands and process data. It directly impacts user experience and system reliability. When performance is poor, you experience delayed responses, wasted resources, and frustrated users. However, optimized systems save energy, reduce operational costs, and significantly improve functionality. Performance optimization is crucial for scalable IoT deployments, especially as the number of connected devices continues to grow exponentially. Latency is the time delay between sending a command and receiving a response from an IoT device. Understanding latency involves three key components. First, network latency, which is the time for data to travel across networks. Second, processing latency, which is the time the device needs to process the request. And third, round-trip time, which represents the complete cycle from request to response. Managing these components is essential for creating responsive IoT applications. There are several effective techniques to reduce latency in IoT systems. Edge computing processes data closer to the source instead of sending it to distant cloud servers, which significantly reduces network travel time. Data caching stores frequently access data locally for instant retrieval, eliminating repeated network requests. Protocol optimization uses lightweight protocols like MQTT or CoAP instead of HTTP, resulting in smaller message sizes and faster transmission. Finally, connection pooling maintains persistent connections to avoid handshake delays, providing immediate data transmission readiness. Throughput measures how much data your IoT system can process or transmit in a given time period. Low throughput leads to data bottlenecks, delayed updates, and poor scalability, limiting your system's effectiveness. In contrast, high throughput enables smooth data flow, real-time updates, and the ability to support many devices simultaneously. Understanding and optimizing throughput is essential for building IoT systems that can handle increasing data demands. To boost throughput performance, consider implementing these four strategies. First, data compression reduces payload size by compressing data before transmission using techniques like gZIP or custom compression algorithms. Second, batch processing groups multiple small messages into larger batches, reducing overhead from individual transmissions. Third, parallel processing handles multiple data streams simultaneously through multi-threading on gateways and edge devices. Fourth, bandwidth optimization prioritizes critical data and uses adaptive bitrates through quality of service settings for important traffic. Resource efficiency in IoT focuses on maximizing performance while minimizing power consumption, memory usage, and computational overhead. Three key resources require careful management. Power is critical because battery life determines the viability of remote sensors and portable devices. Memory management is essential since limited RAM and storage require efficient data handling. Processing efficiency matters because CPU cycles must be used wisely on constrained devices that often have limited computational capabilities. Several powerful techniques can optimize resource efficiency. Sleep modes put devices into low-power states when not actively transmitting or processing data, extending battery life by up to 90%. Event-driven architecture only activates devices and processes when specific events occur, rather than on fixed schedules, reducing unnecessary processing cycles. Data sampling collects information at optimal intervals instead of continuously monitoring, minimizing power and bandwidth usage. Lightweight algorithms use optimized code designed specifically for constrained devices, reducing CPU load and memory footprint. Remember, you cannot optimize what you do not measure. Key metrics to track include response time and latency, data throughput rates, packet loss and error rates, CPU and memory usage, and battery consumption levels. To monitor these effectively, utilize real-time dashboards, network analyzers, performance profilers, logging and alerting systems, and load testing frameworks. Continuous monitoring provides the insights needed to identify bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. Let's summarize the best practices for IoT optimization. First, implement edge computing to reduce latency and network load. Second, use lightweight protocols and data compression for better throughput. Third, employ sleep modes and event-driven architecture for efficiency. Fourth, monitor key metrics continuously and optimize based on data. Fifth, balance performance with resource constraints for sustainable operation. By following these practices, your optimized IoT systems will deliver better user experiences while maximizing efficiency. Thank you for watching, and start implementing these techniques in your IoT projects today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.